Daddy. It's not done yet. Hi guys, and welcome back to Epi12 TV, or call Make a Mess with TV. And today we are reviewing slime. We got this at the what do you call it again? It's just a starting. So let's go and turn this upside down. Ooh! Stretch. You can see. Pat it. Okay, I think that's enough patting. So you can see it stretches, and it stretches pretty fast. Look at that prettiness. My one doesn't look too well. Do you even care? People fair. It's okay. It really makes me want it. I smell it. If I want in the video, I don't know why. It smells horrible. They'll be like, I don't like this video. I put so many thumbs down. Put the thumbs down. Put the thumbs. Oh my god. Do not listen to her. Don't you put thumbs down, or I'll put some slime on the camera. Ugh. Okay, there we go. Here's it. Ooh, it looks so cool. It looks like metallic, actually. That's so smooth. I mean, look at this. Whoa. I mean, look at this, Mommy. It's beautiful. It was without the grass in it. This is crazy. It's like 4. This is so cool. Oh my god, that's like, it's 3. It's 4. I want to try that. Just keep beating it. Yours is not as slimy as mine. Whoa. It has to be really, really sticky. It has to be like not sticky that much. But look at this. Absolute madness. So here's my slime. I'm waiting for it to bulge everywhere. Bulge, won't you? Oh my god. I finally will change the camera soon. Whoa. Ready? Mommy, can you change the camera? It looks so cool. And just go here, lift it up, go here, lift it up, go here, lift it up here, go lift it up here. How do you get it to do that? Here, go lift it up. It's gonna be insanely big. Here. Look how much glue. This is awesome. Mouth's not working. Let's make sure. Guys, if you need borax. I don't know. You need water, borax, and you mix the water into the borax, and then you make a solution and mix it with the borax mixture, and it very quickly starts to thicken. This is crazy. Spider web, please. Whoa! Okay, it's done. Okay. Go and touch it. Go and touch it. It's not sticky. It feels like a spider web. It actually feels like a spider web. I'll try. That's one of these knots. I'll try. Oh yeah, it does feel like a spider web. Oh, disgusting. Ew. Oh my god, look at this. Ah! Yes! 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 Hurry up and melt! It's melting. It's melting very slowly, but if you can see that, it's moving. Yo. How do you make that spider web, brah? Oh, I'm starting a spider web now. It's stuck. It's stuck. Oh, it's water. I don't like it. Whoa! Mommy, I extruded the chair. Water. Look at that chair. It's gross. Oh, I'm starting with the spiderweb thing. It actually feels like water. Oh, it actually does. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's water. It's so wet. Question 1. How do you make the scary slime so scary and just slimy? So, put the borax mixture. You can see, you can go to the, I don't know, it's called Hoop like keep slap. Hoop like keep slap and do your own scary slime, but just with glitter. And my brother's for Hannah. I made a spider web. Very, very hard.
You're not doing anything yourself.
Oh, that's what you want us to do. What is that? What is that thing stretching? Is that a stretching man? Get it away from your slimy ghost. I'm gonna pick this thing up. Disgusting. Disgusting. I'm sorry my head's cut off, but would you look at that? I'm going closer to the camera. Now going back. Now, Mommy, I'm done. So my brother just quit, so it's only me. Or leave a vote if you wanted that to be in the video. Leave a vote. Leave a comment down below. Mommy, can we put hashtags? See who is the best. So, hashtag, my sorry got stickiness. And hashtag, Coco got no stickiness. Mikael got web. I hope you guys got this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like it, appreciate, really happy on me. So make a vote. Very good vote. Use the comments to make a vote. Hashtag the Coco Webs. Hashtag my story got slime. So, bye guys. Bye. Slime bye. No more 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 bye. Sorry guys.